situations at the top of my lungs that scared you to scream on your left. Yeah, we're almost home. Just hold on. We're getting there, buddy. This is going to be confusing for you. We're going to do the elevators today. Two of them. What's going on? You got him? Okay. That was easy. It's not the elevator you think it is, my friend. I know. It's the elevator, though. All I can do is to get on them. Yeah. All I can do is to get on them now. That's cute as can be.
I know.
I'm home. I'll be at home. Look behind that.
You want to get back in your thing?
Apparently. Got it. I can climb wherever I want. I'm comfortable now. I know I'm almost home. I think I know where I am, but I don't. I just think I do. Get around over is good now. Just kind of stepping down. I'm like, dude, I don't know where I'm at after all. I just thought I did. Don't mess with me. Come breathe, mama. Ooh, there's cars down this way. There's people coming too. Look here. Yeah, there's people coming. Oh no! Like you didn't just see 100 people. How you doing? How you doing? I knew that was it. I've never really heard of it before. We're going to the elevator now, and or I will, or you will, or whatever. You go either way you want, but I'm going to take you to the elevator and then down the 3 steps. I almost figure I'll bring him in and go back up to the stroller off the roof because he's going to jump out right there and go, I'll go. I'm like,
Oh, I'll do it.
huh?
I'll do it.
Yeah, I'll probably jump out to go in and say, cross over the little give me a chance. Yeah. Mama,
Almost
here
there.
you
Almost there.
Keep going on, the car's coming, I just stay there. Two more wheels, and then pinch tight, you know, where I can't, you can forget now.
Wheels.
Yeah, it's because I was leaning back a little bit, pushing down on this. There's no weight on them, they walk with the mofo. And, you know, he said if it was up higher, he wouldn't have that problem.
Yeah. I know. We're almost there, Monkers.
Could have crossed the runway and checked out those other people, I think they would have been up a little higher. It had a brand name on it, ours is not. That tells me we got the generic version of what they have.
Yeah.
So yours was 250. How is this? How do those Hot Wheels work? Do they work too?
Lady, that's been talking to her.
No, across from us. I know the lady that was talking, she's terrible with Chihuahua, and when she left, she pulled up a little bit. I was like, hey, you can scoot it up close if you want, just so, you know, I'm already shaving one, I can shave two. That's why I don't get to turn around and watch them the rest of the way inside. Sorry, my butt's sticking out.
It's okay. It's okay.
You gonna call Mama? Mama carry you? He doesn't really want this trouble. I want to see the ceiling. I want to see the ceiling. Mom's taller. I want to see the ceiling. You first. I'm getting video of this shit. Leaning. Now you see why I hunch forward, huh? He makes you do it. He makes you. He won't fall off if you stand up, but he makes you do it anyway. Oh my goodness.
I'll let you down. Let you down.
Just Daddy's in the stroller. I was carrying it. He didn't like me carrying it high.